Step 1. Registration. First, you need to register for a Phemex account. All you need to do is enter a valid email address and password, and you will have created a Phemex account. Step 2. Sign up for the event. Click the Sign Up for the Event button, and you have successfully signed up for the event. Step 3. Deposit. The first step is to open the digital asset transaction page on the Phemex platform and to deposit your crypto into your Phemex wallet. Click Deposit Now and select the currency you want. You will be able to see the BTC address and QR code. Copy the BTC deposit address to the clipboard. Then open up the platform or wallet that currently holds your BTC and paste the Phemex wallet address into the relevant withdrawal field. You can also scan the QR code through the withdrawal platform to complete the recharge. The above completes the transfer of digital currency from other platforms to the Phemex wallet. To deposit into your Phemex wallet, you need to pay attention to the confirmation of the block network. It usually takes 2 to 10 minutes. After the amount is received, you can see the most recent digital asset recharge record on the recharge page. Step 4. Transfer. Click Transfer Now on the asset to enter the contract account page. Select Transfer In. Enter the amount you want to transfer, and click Confirm to complete the transfer of digital currency from the wallet to the contract trading account. You can view the latest transfer records in the Recent History page of the contract account page. Please note the following. Bonuses can be used to open positions, to pay fees, or to cover losses. Bonuses cover 50% of fees and losses before the user's own capital is used. Bonuses cannot be withdrawn to wallets or transferred between trading accounts. However, they can be used to open positions, and any realized profits can then be withdrawn.